So in 2020, um, someone bought a 32 million euro mega mansion in Spain.
Without ever stepping foot inside, right?
Yeah, exactly. They bought it because of a 25-minute YouTube video. And like a video where half the grass was literally just dirt spray painted green.
It is honestly one of the most incredible pivots in modern real estate.
For sure. So today, our mission for this deep dive is to unpack the architecture of Villa Cullinan.
Right, the diamond of Marbella.
Yeah. And we want to explore how a global lockdown basically forced developers to sell this this ultra-luxury fortress purely through digital storytelling.
Well, before we get to the spray-painted dirt, we really have to talk about the sheer scale of this place.
Oh yeah, the numbers are wild.
Right, it's over 3,110 square meters of living space on like a 13,845 square meter plot.
And there's that 20-meter indoor heated pool.
Plus the two authentic Salvador Dali bronze sculptures just, chilling in the garden.
Wait, but the thing that completely blew my mind is the primary bathroom.
Oh, the bathtub.
Yes. It has an 800-kilogram bathtub carved from a single solid block of premium beige marble. I mean, it literally looks like an ancient Roman monument.
It really does.
So it makes you wonder, at what point does a house cross the line from residential living into like pure theatricality?
Well, I wouldn't even say it crosses a line. I'd say theatricality is the whole point.
Right.
At 32 million euros, you aren't really buying a shelter anymore. You're buying a personal museum.
A very, very expensive museum.
Exactly. Just take the subterranean showroom. Fits 15 cars. It has a black mirror ceiling and a rotating platform.
Which is definitely not just for parking your Honda Civic.
No, not at all. It's a gallery designed to make the buyer feel like Bruce Wayne.
Right. But a house this theatrical, it requires a stage that guarantees absolute privacy from the outside world.
Right, and that brings us to the location. It's in La Zagaleta, which is this ultra-exclusive 900-hectare gated reserve.
And the security is just intense.
Oh, it's military level. You've got 2 strictly guarded gates, 24/7 armed patrols, and the community staff all signed strict NDAs.
Plus, isn't there like a massive entry fee?
Yeah, you're paying an initial fee of up to 100,000 euros just to access the private golf and equestrian facilities.
See, I have to push back a little on the appeal of that for the listener. I mean, living behind a 50-kilometer private road network surrounded by biometric locks.
Yeah.
Doesn't that feel less like a luxury community and more like an isolated, gilded fortress?
Well, for the ultra-wealthy, isolation is the ultimate luxury. You are essentially buying total anonymity.
Right, that makes sense.
But ironically, That massive, secure fortress became a huge, unexpected hurdle when the COVID-19 pandemic hit right after the 2019 launch.
Because the borders closed?
Exactly. Suddenly, the billionaire international buyers they were targeting legally couldn't travel to this fortress.
So how do you pull that off? Like, how does Dramilia Real Estate sell a 32 million euro property when the buyer isn't even allowed to cross borders to see it?
Well, faced with travel bans, they basically shifted to high-production YouTube tours to reach these ultra-high net worth individuals.
And this is where the spray-painted dirt comes in, right?
Yes. They actually painted dry soil green and filled unfinished pools with water just to shoot early promotional videos.
Because they had to get the shots before the landscaping was even finalized.
Exactly. It was total improvisation.
I mean, that is straight up Hollywood set dressing. It's wild that a 25-minute digital walkthrough successfully secured a buyer.
A buyer who, by the way, wasn't even initially looking to buy in Spain.
That is just incredible.
And the macroeconomic impact of this single transaction was massive. It proved that 30 million plus speculative homes could actually sell on the Costa del Sol.
Which totally triggered a new wave of regional mega development.
Yeah, it changed the paradigm completely.
So it really leaves you with a final thought to mull over. As digital marketing becomes as powerful, will future ultra-luxury real estate be designed specifically for how it looks on a screen?
Right, rather than how it feels in person.
Exactly. Are we just building highly polished stages for a digital audience? Definitely something to think about. Produced and curated by AI Yuli Studio. For private inquiries, architectural media production, or listing showcases, visit aiulistudio.netlify.app or contact us via the link in the description.